Okay. This is my little video. Hope y'all like it. It's me rapping like I said I was gonna do. This the mono background music, something like that. Alright.
As the
Okay.
kids are participating in the actual program, the parents are in the
Wait.
classroom setting and getting educational information about how to be a better parent.
Cap say, got my sway. Every single day I go my way. I'm so cold, my raps are never old. My beats are always sweet. People on my feet, keep up on the streets like look that tree. I ever say, bitches gonna be saying, I'm a real little nigga. Keep my raps real. All I ever do is always stay at school. Yeah, I clown. Yeah, I mess around. Not in your town cause you little round. Yeah. Dang, I messed up. Oh well. Alright, keep going. Something like that. Look at you. You so fat. Had a heart attack. Ate too much Big Macs. You so round. Around your town, you look like a clown. Like I'm cold. You so old. I'm so new. Why you act a fool? Nah, that's me. Cause that's all you see. Cause I'm CT like 18 weed. That didn't really rhyme, but don't waste my time, cause raps are mine. I have it the swag in your bag, I have it your mama in your robber.